Men who love their partner but feel a connection slowly fading, this is for you. The relationship doesn't fix itself when she changes, it improves when you do. The first step that was a game changer for me is stop trying to fix and start to feel. Start to feel where she is at, start to feel where you are at, start to feel the flow of data moving between yourself and your partner for what the moment actually needs from you. Number 2, bring the real you home. You've been out in work, grinding and grafting and performing all day. So when we come home, can you come home to her with an open heart, dropping the mask, no longer performing, putting your phone down and being present? And number 3, know yourself first. Understand who you are, where you're going and what you want, because if you don't bring depth into yourself and you're living a surface level life, you're only going to have a surface level relationship, and she wants your depth. The most important work you can do on your relationship is doing the work on yourself. The relationship isn't the problem, the disconnection from yourself is. If you're a high functioning man who knows his relationship deserves more than you're currently able to give, DM me relationship and let's find the real man that she fell in love with.